Okay, we're going to look at a couple more. 72 is cosine of x over 1 minus sine of x equals secant x plus tangent x. So I actually, in this case, want to start from the right side. A lot of times I started from the left side, but in this case the left side is a fraction already and it has cosine and sine in it. So since this doesn't have cosine and sine in it yet, I'm going to start from the right side and change them into sines and cosines. So this would be 1 over cosine x plus sine x over cosine x. And then I can combine those because they already have a common denominator. Now this is sort of like what happened with the last problem. So I know that I want a cosine x. Well, either one. You can do either one. So, but I'm going to make it a little bit, well, make it a little easier actually on myself. I know that I want a 1 minus sine x on the bottom, and I don't have that. So what I'm going to do is multiply by 1 minus sine x over 1 minus sine x. And this is kind of a key step here, where you multiply by what you want over what you want. So what you want, wyw over wyw over what you want. And I'm going to FOIL the top. So 1, outer is minus sine x, inner is plus sine x. And last is minus sine squared x. And then I'm actually not going to multiply the bottom because I'm assuming that some things are going to cancel out. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm assuming this cosine is going to cancel out because I want this on the bottom. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. So I have cosine x, 1 minus sine x. And then these two are the same with different signs, so they cancel. And I have 1 minus sine squared x. And from our Pythagorean identities, again, we know that 1 minus sine squared x is cosine squared x. I think it's over here, see. 1 minus sine squared x is cosine squared x. So I'm going to substitute that back in. And then this is like cosine times cosine, so one of these on the bottom cancels, or one on the top cancels with the one on the bottom. So then I get cosine x divided by 1 minus sine x. And I'm done.